So today's recipe is making use of some of the best vegetables that we still have at this time of year. And butternut squash is one of those still on the list. I don't know about you, but by the time winter comes to an end, I'm kind of at my wit's end for what to do with butternut squash. But today I'm going to do a gratin. And this is something that's really popular in France. I think the tang of the goat's cheese and the sweetness of the cooked squash work really well together. And then, you put it on a whole bunch of more cheese and pop it under the broiler, get it really bubbly and golden and gorgeous, and ooh, you know what I'm talking about. This gratin becomes sort of the side that stole the spotlight of your meal. I hope you give it a try. I hope you give this one a try. I think you're gonna love it, especially those cheese lovers out there. Don't forget the cheese. Until next week, I will say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and happy cooking.